Welcome to the Collaborative International Academics (CIA) Training and Learning Platform. At CIA, we are dedicated to empowering your academic and professional journey through innovation. Our mission is to create an inclusive and forward-thinking academic community where creativity meets practical skills, and where learners are equipped to address the challenges of a fast-changing, globalized world. One of the most exciting opportunities we offer is the chance to unlock the transformative potential of artificial intelligence in education. Together, we will explore how AI can be leveraged to help you thrive in today's technology-driven learning environment. We are delighted to welcome you to CIA 101, Mastering Practical Course Design, a course designed to help you become an expert in crafting impactful, inclusive, and effective educational programs. In this session, we will delve into the foundations of course development. You will learn how to identify the essential components for designing courses tailored to any degree level, institution, or audience. We will also guide you in aligning your course with institutional objectives while fostering an inclusive and engaging environment for learners. Are you ready to take your skills to the next level? Are you ready to make a meaningful impact in the world of education? Let us begin this exciting journey together. The future of education starts now, and it starts with you.